Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I definitely do still look at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, which I still think it most likely is going to go up and take out the high of wave 3, maybe even taking out the previous high, making new all-time highs. And yes, it is going into the territory of wave 1, which is supposed to be a rule that Elliot wave doesn't break. But for my 14 plus years trading Elliott wave, the market really doesn't care about Elliott wave rules in my opinion. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, it definitely looks like weekly time frame. It definitely looks like impulsive down wave A, corrective up wave B. Looks like impulsive down wave C. I think we likely either have already ended the ABC of 4 and we're already heading back up, or we might have one more little attempt down just to grab this Fibonacci level before we actually go up and make that wave 5. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, this one definitely still does look like a 1, 2, 3, and maybe it does need to go down one more time for a wave 5. But looking at other crypto pairs, especially Bitcoin, kind of looks like the correction could possibly be already over. And if that's the case, this is like a 1. We're probably now in a wave 2, and eventually it'll go up and make a 3, a 4, and a wave 5 of that wave 5 trend on the higher time frames. Because a wave 5 definitely should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves within it. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me it looks like an uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Probably a wave 1. I think we're in an ABC correction, which I'm not really convinced is over yet. I think it needs to at least take out these lows. So I think there might be at least another push down to finish off the wave 2. Maybe the 50 to 61% would be the most likely area to finish the wave 2 and potentially head back up for that bigger wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, if it does go up and break this structure, that definitely would turn me into a buyer. Otherwise, I would be cautious about going long now because it kind of seems like we need to go down and make a wave 5 of wave C. Maybe go down to even the 50% or even lower than I was showing on the higher time frames. So I think you should, as of right now, still be looking for shorts unless you get that breaker structure to the upside, or unless it goes down and makes like a double bottom at a fib level and then goes up and breaks structure. Either one of those scenarios would definitely turn me into a buyer, and if either of those scenarios don't happen, then I would actually continue to look for shorts on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.